Welcome to episode 54. So today it is a bit dark on site. So that is the reason why you are seeing the tube light being there while shooting the video. So we have completed the kitchen wall tiling even for the sink area. The highlighter or the backsplash for the sink area is not done because there are different tiles which we are going to use for backsplash, so that's the reason why we have not done it, but we have completed with the basic tiles which were to be installed. So this is again showing you the same progress which was achieved earlier. So complete window frame. It is a bit dark, guys, so sorry for the inconvenience, but I hope you will definitely understand because we have already covered that in the previous videos. Now moving ahead in the further area, what you see here are different wall punning was done yesterday extensively. So wall punning, we are targeting to complete the wall punning so that once it is completely dried up, we can start with the finishing in paints. Now we are moving ahead, and in depth I am focusing on the wall punning area so that you understand the level which we have achieved on the finishing of the walls. This wall punning plays a very vital role in shaping up the flat towards painting, because only then, even after doing wall punning, it is the final finishing, the pre-finishing before the paint application plays a vital role. So imagine doing wall punning and even leveling the walls to a finer extent. Many a times there are smaller undulations which are seen on the wall. So I definitely like to highlight on such important critical elements which later on hampers the productivity of the site. So with regards to the aesthetics achievement, wall punning also, there is one more factor which has to be taken care of. That wall punning will take a longer time for drying up depending on the season, also depending upon the thickness of the punning which we have which is there on site. Now here in this particular project there was not much level difference, but even then the punning layer is somewhere around 0.75 to 1 inch overall. So the material has to completely dried up till the plaster wall so that there are no cracks or no finer pointers as such. Now moving ahead, in this kids bedroom, we have started with the electrical conduiting. Once the electrical conduiting will be done, then we will even start with the application of the gypsum board. So once the false ceiling is and the basic electrical is done, then we will initiate with the carpentry work of the flat. This walls, again it will be cleared out before wall punning, the way we are doing it in the living room. So I'll be gradually explaining you that. Now you see the complete electrical conduiting work which is happening on site, and this is the floor protection covering what we have used to protect the wooden floor tiles. The skirting of this is also completed. If you see it properly, you might see the skirting which is done. Now let's move ahead. Also, one thing, I had a few emails with regards to explaining the complete decor of the bedroom. So as of now I will not be doing that because I'll be doing it towards the completion of the bedroom, so you understand it, to understand the process in depth. This is the common bathroom passage wall. This wall also partially will be wall tiling and the rest will be wall punning. We are moving ahead in the common bathroom, just showing you the progress of the work, as many a days I have not covered with the bathroom detailing. So I thought today let me focus on the bathrooms so that you guys remember it properly. So these are the highlighter pattern what I have used, and this is one of the niche which will be very helpful in stacking the toiletries. The regular toiletries, not the extra ones, because for the extra ones I'm giving a counter in the vanity area, just below the wash basin, so that the extras could be stacked there. Now this is the framing, double framing what we do, so that the water doesn't spill outside also, and the door frame looks neat and clean. Both the bathrooms I have maintained a spacer block of 2 mm. Now we are going ahead in the master bedroom. Master bedroom today we have even completed the skirting. The flooring was completed in the first half and followed by the skirting. There are few patches in the balcony which is left. Also now the parapet wall which you see in the balcony, I am still not sure whether to go for the same wooden wall tiles or to go for some other finishes, as the 3D of this room is into process. So probably the wall covering area I'll be covering it in probably the next week, because my 3Ds are lined up for the 3Ds finalization are followed up in the coming week. Post that I'll be posting the update on that. So this is again the flooring area what we are showing you. Tomorrow we'll be cleaning this, and the rest of the skirting also would be completed, and the patch which is left. Post that we'll be again sealing the joints with abro tape and covering it with gypsum board to protect it from abrasions. Not only abrasions, even the scratches which happens while the other the other part of the work is happening, like false ceiling, electrical. So to safeguard the tiles, it is better to cover them with a firm surface. Now again, just as a reminder, I'll be covering the master bathroom. Master bathroom you all have seen. Master bathroom, the tiling is completed except two niche highlighters, which I am to install it towards the end. So these are the two niches which I was talking about. The highlighter of this area are balanced as of now. Rest, I'm very happy that you guys are with me in this journey, understanding each and every detailing on sites. Sometimes the video duration is smaller, sometimes it is longer, depending on the progress of work. Thank you guys.